like a me kill Jesus.
Hey, what's up my viewers, what's up my subscribers? This is Othtv at you again. People, big up on yourself, man. Big up all who tune into the channel and thing, you see me? Just like the thing, man. Share the thing, subscribe to the thing. You don't know where I build the thing, see? So me I say, yo, man, tell a friend to tell a friend, man, and then tell a friend to tell a grandmother, man, and then the grandmother tell a next grandmother. So we are there with it. See? So we are saying, now, today we are going to jump in again and we look at some little things where we see I go on, see? So we don't know. We see Elephant Man post a video how Spicy rate him up back in 2001 and thing and say boy so she want to be like the energy god, you see me? So we are going to pre that, you see me? And how Elephant Man can react to that, saying. And we are also pre we see Dexter Dap and Tony Mataran them and what our vibes. We play some nudie and thing. We are look on that same way, saying. We see Terro Fabulous and Chuck Fender what our vibes, man, and basically Chuck Fender show the man respect, man, and say, yo, him show him how to ride with the man thing, you see me? And him show him how to deal with the rhythm Billias, you see me? That Terro Fabulous him give respect to, you see me? We are going to go so again and kind of show boom down the mic, you know, in the studio. You know, it's like a reminiscing video. What our vibes and our vibes, a dub plate and thing, you see me? Like the scare them crew except Elephant Man, you see me? But them, all of them did in the studio go on all our vibes. So it's like a reminiscing video, you see me? Okay, I don't know, real legend, real icon, we have to take time and share them things, you see me? And then we have got Francine, that's a cargo wife, you know, she does have her birthday party like a few days ago. The 3rd of June, so you don't know, she like a 2-part of her birthday still, so I don't know, the first one was like a party vibe, but the second day, I have a little clip in we're going to show you. She did the falls, you know, in a St. Thomas East, you see me? And kind of all our vibes, cook some food and enjoy herself with our people, them and things. You see, so we're going to pray that. So yeah, people can jump in that, man. So right now, we see this Elephant Man post a video of Spice back in 2001. Kind of big him up and I say, yo, Elephant Man are the real G, you know. Them man, they full of energy, you know. Energy got them man, they for real. And that's so she want to be like when she, you know, developing the music and thing, because Elephant Man make you come at the stage, you want to enjoy yourself. And you see me, like a full package you get, you see me? So basically, she do one look interview and she can tell the interviewer, say, yeah, man, a Elephant Man, a real man, because them man, they make you see so, but man, overload with fun when you run at them show, you see me? So, Elephant Man is a man where I go up on the soundbox and jump off, you see me? Them man they will go way up in the sky and fly off, you see me? So I saw she I say, yo, them man they turn up the vibes. I saw she didn't want to do her thing. And right now we see Spice kinda live to come do her thing same way. When they go Spice show, you don't know a be a vibe same. Everybody have to rock, everybody have to move. So you don't know what she did say back then, she really mean it. Saying so Elephant Man basically I say to Spice say, yo, and the whole of artists in the business want give the other artists them respect there, you know. And the whole of artists in the business that give other artists them respect there, you see me? To make them know say, yo, I rate to no man and I want me kinda idolize and rate, you see me? So Elephant Man just take the time off to show Spice say, man, big up yourself, mama. Cause so you go, you see me? And right now I'm happy for you and the way you reach, you know. You see me? That's so Elephant Man I tell Spice. You see me? And you know, so I wish the best to Spice, man, and I say, Spice, yo, you know, you come from far, you see me, and we all happy say you reach, so. And you're a big performer, you carry the banner for Jamaica same way. You see me, so I'm going to play the video right now.
As a man where you look up to. Like motivation, more motivation.
Alright. Yes, the Elephant Man. Yes, the Elephant Man, them for know. Yes, the force and the energy when I bring out, and my role that to achieve to the people there.
The energy guy.
The energy guy. They have some artists. They go on stage. They just do this for money thing and a money thing. People born with that talent. You see the Elephant Man, remember me tell us there's an artist that I look up to. And I rate him. And when the people them, you know, easy for una charge $1,000 to go in a stage show, $500 to go in a stage show, and when you go a stage show, you not get one one. What that be? That don't make it. Elephant Man, remember, me tell you, man, give the people what them want. Yeah. Straight.
Yeah, people, we see Dexter Dap and, you know, Tony Mataran and them people are play some Ludi and all our vibes, man. And, you know, the vibes look right. Like, the man was enjoy themselves, man. A unity, we say, you know. So once we see unity in the business, man, we are going to show the video and make us see what go on. You see me? I don't know, long clipping, you see me? I just a short thing. So we just show it out, man, and you can watch it and see what go on, man. And make us know say a unity we are dealing with. You see me? So check out the video.
I'm me them afraid. I'm me them afraid. You can't win nothing. Flex who them.
You're not bad. Who your friend? Who your friend? Who your friend? Bad. We win again. Who your friend?
Yeah, man, we see our Francine see with a cargo wife, you see me? She run in and do her birthday thing, you see me? June 30 do her thing, man. And I tell her, say she can hold her vibes, man. I say she a party and enjoy herself. You know, get her champagne and chew up on her and thing, you see me? So the next day she kind of run out of the falls, you know, in the St. Thomas area, you see me? The east, you see me? And just kind of hold her vibes with some other fans and thing and some friends. So I'm going to check out the video and one thing.
Country life. Happy life.
Happy life.
Right on the dam.
Over there. Where are we? Reggae Falls. The after party. The after party, don't it? Right through. Reggae.
People, Terro Fabulous. Terro Fabulous. You don't know them man, they're icon, you know, man, they're legend, you know. Saying, you don't know them man, they think they shot in the 90s in a star. You see me? So right now we see our Chuck Fender run out and I say, Terro Fabulous, are you are the real G, you know? Are you make me know if you run out pan them rhythm and hold me rhythm certain way and beat up the rhythm certain way, you see me? So the man I give Terro Fabulous in flowers from right now, you see me? Because I want some people going like they want to get Terro Fabulous. And them man they run off the 90s same way. And them man they make music nice back in the them days, you see me? So now I have to give them man them flowers, you see me? Terro Fabulous, you're a real G man, and I say, yo, respect Terro Fabulous. Othtv, I say, big up yourself, man, no matter what go on with your family. You don't know you still have your legacy, you see me? Nobody can take that from you. Saying, so we are going to show you where Chuck Fender said to Terro Fabulous. Real. Respect Chuck Fender, see me if you do this, you see me? Can I hold up an artist at the time for show them idol respect and the man them were dead before them.
Fabulous, you know.
Yeah, man, I read
them learn from for ride with him in the man. Oh, you come and tell me that you're bad and you're wicked.
But you get down on them as them big sound super hard guns, you know.
And if them have a one gun to show,
you better feel so you can be tired.
tell it all of this position.
Hold up your head and you don't know.
Blazing fire. Living fire. Terro Fabulous, the greatest DJ of all time.
Every time I see it.
Bang.
He's a Chuck Fender. Just like the eye, you know? Yeah, man, inside out, the other foreign.
Beers.
I'll go and carry him. Anyway, you don't know.
Yeah, people, the Skate Them crew still a show boom down, they might respect, you know. Saying, I mean, I tell us what I say, Skate Them crew, you don't know. I talk about Nitty Country, I talk about Harry Toddler, you see me? The man, they kind of repost some video on a show when, you know, the man them in the studio have vibes and stuff, you see me? So it's like some reminiscing video, man, and it's like, I'm not sure, boom down, they might deal with them thing in the studio, you see me? And the man them just missed it, man, dog. The man them kind of reminisce, man, and they missed the Jenna, you see me? And we say, R.I.P. again, boom down, they might, I don't know, icon, you see me, legend, you see me? And big up yourself, man, and the whole place still a mourn for the dog, you see me? So from time to time, I go drop in 1 and 2 videos in the vlog, man, and make them know, say, yo, we still I say R.I.P., S.I.P., you see me? So check out the video, people. And leave a comment in the comment section, man, and make a reason, man. That's how we deal with the thing now. Saying, and when we get a chance, I reply to certain comments and things same way. Saying, keep the thing clean, man, and nobody come with the idiot thing. Saying, alright, we are say, yo, Othtv, Outer Road in the street. Tell your granny, tell your father, tell your mommy, tell your sister. Othtv, boom, bang, bang.
My father is made like my man named Carla. I only come around the Caribbean, you are. Oh, let me such a thing about Paul. Right from where we have Pascal. Put you wall. Got you, sir. Yeah, but you for coming there, sir. No, man, yeah, you for coming there, sir. Tell them. Remember, go away, I say.
Man, lock me on still.
So scared them stay here. Yeah, that W. Yeah, man, I hear time for walking back, King. I come, bring.